everybody, my name is Harmony Moody and I'm here today to show you how to do finger coil hairstyle. This is my signature style. I get so many compliments. Everyone always asks, oh my goodness, who does your hair, or where can I get my hair done like this? And I want to go ahead and show you guys how to do it in the comfort of your own home. So if you want to know how to do it my way, Harm's way, then keep on watching. First things first, you want to go ahead and wash your hair. So that's what I'm going to do and I'll be right back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then you want to section your hair in 4 sections. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you want to use a wide tooth comb or a denim brush to detangle your hair first. So, wide tooth comb, detangling brush. Okay. So make sure your hair is very saturated. So always want to use a bottle of water, and you can get this from any beauty supply store, even Walmart. And just spray your hair really good. Now your hair should be soaking wet, but I had to actually step out, so I'm kind of having to do this, put some more water on it. I had to step out somewhere. So anywho, and then you want to put some leave-in conditioner in. So I love this leave-in conditioner. It's called 𝐬𝐸 by Aunt Jackie. It smells so good. You want to use very, very small amount, dime size amount, nothing too much, like dime size amount each section. So a little goes a long way. And go ahead and smooth it out, and then you'll have flakes and stuff in your hair, which is not cute. It's gonna look like it's snowing. It's not cute. You just keep on working those products in. So working the product in. Okay. Okay, and you want to work from the end to the root. My hair is so thick, so it takes a lot of patience. But always make sure you take time with your hair. If you don't have time to do your hair, you gotta rush through it, don't do it. Just wait for the next day. Take some time to nurture your hair, because if you're rushing through it, it's just not gonna be cute. It's just not. And kind of do praying hands. Pray. So, and most times I just use my fingers because, you know, those tools sometimes are just too much on the hair. You can't really feel what you're combing out. So sometimes just using your fingers is really the best thing, honestly. It really is. I use Aunt Jackie's curling cream for my hair. I use the curling cream. So I'll go ahead and put that on my hair, but not too much. You don't want it to be too white. Okay, so now you want to use your tail comb and go ahead and make a straight part across, like so. Now, you know, I do this normally when I'm doing someone else's hair. I do the comb thing, but for me, I just go ahead and just grab little pieces each time with my finger. It just makes stuff faster, and sometimes it's better not to have parts so that when you have to pick it out later on to hide those parts. So, make sure you have a butterfly clip. Go ahead and put the rest of the hair up. And then for the gel I usually use Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls Gloss and Curly Jelly. I want to tell you the full name. And then, or I use 𝐬𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐴, which is absolutely my favorite gel. This one holds the style better rather than the Ice Curls. It's a 10 hold, so it gets the job done. You know, with the 𝐬𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐴, I can wear it for like a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, really. But for me, I like to do my hair a lot, so, but it can last that long because I have people who keep their styling that long when I do it. So anyway, life's great. You want to go ahead and grab a little bit of gel on that small section you already have out and just shingle your hair. Just glide the gel from the root to the end. Okay. And this right here, like this, you can just literally do a wash and go. This is considered a wash and go. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the tangling brush. And this will be considered a wash and go. Okay. But we're doing finger coils, so you just grab very small section with your finger and you just wrap the hair around your finger very slowly, and then hold the top of your hair, the root of your hair, so that way it's not like hurting and you're not pulling at your hair. Okay. And right now it might look a little straight, but it's gonna curl up. Okay, so this is it up close. And you can see the product or the wax that will go away once your hair dries completely. Okay. And so again, just take very small sections. Let me show you up close. And then again, hold the root. Now you can twist the root. Like if I'm at doing something here at work, I twist the root so it can be nice and neat rather than being a bunch of, just like how this is, like a regular curls. And that could be puffy, but if you want to be really neat, you want to twist the top root and then just go all the way to the bottom. See, now we just look a little bit neater. Okay, so again, you're gonna grab a very small section. I'm gonna back up so you can see me. Grab some gel. And again, you're grabbing a little piece of hair, keeping a firm grip to twist the root of your hair, and just keep on wrapping around your hair and gliding down. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna do one more small piece of hair. Make sure you smooth it out with your fingers first, and then wrap it around your hand. And just do it in a circle like you're calling somebody, like, come here, come here. And just keep on going. And you'll get it as you go along, but again, very small sections. And then twist, 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 twist. Now, if you want it to be real straight, you just try to bring it down. But for me, I like it to be more of a curly look, so I like to bring it out this way to the right. Just like that. And voila. And so usually when I do this, I listen to like a sermon or some music just to keep me going. You know, some upbeat music. Because this can take a very long time. You definitely have to have patience for it. For me, usually like 45 minutes to an hour to do it. But that's not considering like washing and everything like that. Because with washing, it's probably about 2 hours. And then most times I get a chair and I just sit down in the chair and do it and stand in front of the mirror in my bathroom and just watch a movie on my phone or YouTube or whatever. It can take a while, so this is my workout for the day. Now I go pretty fast. Like I normally do like maybe like four or five wraparounds, but that's on myself. When I'm doing with somebody with longer hair or something, you want to do a few. But honestly, for myself, I really do be kind of rushing it low key. Again, just listen to some music or something, get you keep going. Because your arm's gonna be hurting and your back. And you can do big sections if you want to. I just do small sections for myself because it'll last longer and it looks more neat. The smaller you do it, the more defined and small it will be. But if you do it bigger, then the more loose it will be, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'll show you how it looks in the back now. See? I'll show you how I do the front. So yeah, for me, I do the front, parting it out. Tied or not. Definitely make it apart. And so I always have my main part over on this side. So I'm gonna do mid-brow, the middle of your brow. But you don't gotta really do all that, but anyway. Make sure you get the nice part. Now, since my hair is so thick, that part goes away anyway, but it helps me to know what I'm doing. So I can see clearly. Anyways, let me show you how I do. So make sure you have a part. Again, some more leave-in conditioner. Make sure the hair is nice and wet. So again, just spraying again, water, and then we're adding gel. It should be nice and have a good slip. Okay, so then we're grabbing a very small section. Hold. Sometimes you'll have like hair on your fingers and stuff. It can get a little gross, but again, just grabbing very small pieces. I am almost done, so yes, I'll be back to show you the end result. Okay, so I'm all done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair. Now, if you have a hooded dryer, you can sit under your hooded dryer and dry your hair. But if you don't, you can use a blow dryer and a diffuser attachment, and that will get you the same results. So I will show you guys tomorrow what my hair looks like when I'm dressed. See you tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day. This is how my hair turned out. I love it so much. If you decide to try this style, please leave a comment on my page or tag me. I would love to see it. I hope this video inspires you to rock your own natural hair if you don't already. You can follow me on all social media platforms at Harmony Moody. And please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.